Hey guys, welcome back to our junk removal SEO series where we are working on building a junk removal website, ranking it, and generating leads from it. Today I'm going to be walking you guys how to set up Google Search Console, Google Analytics. We want to set up the foundation and just make sure we are tracking everything from the start so we know what to double down on, which direction we're heading towards. So without further ado, let's get started. Like I said, today we're going to be set up analytics and tracking. We're going to be setting up Google Search Console, Google Analytics. So to get started with Google Search Console, just visit their website. You can see here, I already have our junk removal website, and I did create it using AI very quickly, but this is all going to change. But for time's sake, head over to Google Search Console. I already have mine open, but if you don't, just go to search.google.com/search console. And we are going to enter our URL prefix. So just go back to your website, copy and paste it, insert it here, press continue, and then just let it verify our property. So there's different ways you can verify you own this website. I like doing with the simple HTML tag that you add to the homepage. So we're going to copy this code. We're going to go back to our WordPress website. We're going to go back to the dashboard. And like I said, there's multiple plugins that you can use to insert code, but I'm using Elementor, and there's already some custom code elements that just inserts code into your pages. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to type in Google Search Console. I'm going to paste the code here. I want it in the head of the page. I'm going to click publish. I just want it on the singular, and this is going to be the front page is the home page. So save and close, and you should have verified. What I'm going to do is I'm going to purge the cache, and then I'm going to verify. Oh, okay, so I need to turn off this. So this is what's blocking our maintenance. Okay, so purge the cache, and then we will try again. Verify, and we are good to go. So now if we press OK, here is our property. So you can see here our property looks like it's good to go. There's no data yet just because we have it's brand new website. But here you'll be able to look at your impressions, clicks, some stats, indexing on your pages, sitemaps, and a few other things. As we start collecting more data, I will walk you guys through and how to use these insights. So we're gonna head over back to our Notion, and Google Search Console is done. So next thing we're gonna want to set up is Google Analytics. So we want to measure all traffic, not just organic traffic. This can be direct links to your website, direct visits, especially with Google Analytics is very useful because you can also track referring LLM traffic. There's a few different techniques that you can go about it, but we just want to make sure we want to set this up correctly as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to head over to the Google Analytics website. And we are going to create a new property. So enter your website name, Ultra Junk Removal, continue next, category. You can do other, small business, next. We're going to go with other business objectives. We want to collect webs through our website. We want to collect data through our website. So enter your URL, stream, you can name it website, create and continue. You're going to click next. And then I like to install it manually. So just copy this tag right here. You're gonna go back, you're gonna add another code, create new code. You can name it Google Analytics or whatever you like. The code. This one you will publish across all the pages in your entire website. So entire site, save and close, purge all, go back to Google Analytics, test installation, and looks like it's working. So now confirm our stream, everything's working properly. And now once people visit our website, Google's gonna start collecting that data and let us know how it interacts with it. As we start collecting data, I will show you guys how I use Google Analytics and how do you take advantage of all the data that you're collecting. So we're gonna go back to our